Have a widget file from an old Mac and wondering if it still works on modern macOS? Apple dashboard widgets were a popular customization in earlier OS X versions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, install, and work with these Apple dashboard widget files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling widget files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. This file is a packaged application designed for the Apple macOS dashboard. A user's intent is to install this widget to add specific functionality, like a calculator, weather forecast, or stock ticker, to their desktop environment. Although dashboard is deprecated, these files are still encountered by users of older macOS versions. A widget file is essentially a folder containing a bundle of web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with a property list, plist, file for configuration. This web-based architecture was chosen by Apple to make widget development accessible and easy for web developers to create native-like mini applications. macOS Dashboard from Apple Inc. is the core program designed for the widget structure. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows does not interpret embedded extension data, so plugins must run inside their intended software. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your widget file and hit Open With. Try the recommended macOS dashboard first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. When a widget file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, installing in dashboard. On macOS versions through Mojave, double-click the widget file to install it in dashboard. The system prompts for confirmation before adding the widget. Activate dashboard with F12 or the mission control gesture to view and use the installed widget alongside other dashboard items. Next, inspecting widget contents. Right-click the widget file in Finder and select Show Package Contents to view the internal bundle structure. This reveals the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files that comprise the widget. Open these files in a text editor or browser to examine the widget's code and design. Finally, modern macOS alternatives. Since macOS Catalina removed dashboard support, widget files no longer function on current systems. Migrate widget functionality to modern alternatives like Notification Center widgets in Big Sur, and later or use third-party apps that provide similar quick access utility features through the menu bar or notification area. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.